In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a workspace for your team, step by step. We'll set up a clear structure, make smart permission choices, and get your teams collaborating with confidence. Start in the default general team space. And think of this as your company's lobby. It's where pages that matter to everyone across the organization live. Keep it clean, relevant, and easy to navigate so people know where to find the essentials. Next, use templates to spin up your core company pages quickly. Create a docs database for long form documents and policies, a meeting notes database to capture decisions and action items consistently, and a company homepage that orients people to what's important right now. Templates save time, keep formatting consistent, and make onboarding smoother. Now identify the functional groups that deserve their own team spaces. There isn't one perfect structure. Choose what fits how your company works. A very large go-to-market group might be too broad for one space, while a tiny content team might not need a separate space at all. Aim for meaningful subteams that share common work and information. For a go-to-market function, create separate team spaces like customer success, customer experience, marketing, and sales. Use the Create New Team Space option. Then add a clear name, a short description, and an icon people will recognize. Start with one team, such as customer success, and replicate the pattern as you go. When creating a team space, choose whether it's open, closed, or private. As a general rule, default to open spaces in a simple organization to promote transparency. For ad hoc efforts like projects or hiring, choose more restrictive options to reduce noise and protect work in progress. Once a space is ready, add members using groups provisioned by your identity system. Decide who should be owners versus members. Typically, functional leads are owners, and the full team joins as members. Repeat this for each team space so membership stays accurate over time. Inside each team space, create a home page and a top-level page for each sub-team. This structure makes content easier to browse and avoids clutter as things grow. By default, pages inherit permissions from their team space, but you can override them when needed. Use this for sensitive content. For example, in the General Spaces Company Goals page, grant view-only access to everyone via the Share menu so goals aren't accidentally edited. Then add the manager group as editors. Subpages will inherit those settings. For subteam pages, invite the relevant group and grant full access to the page and all nested subpages so teams can manage their own content. Finally, keep participation going. Communicate how the workspace should be used, encourage contributions, and continuously improve content. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials.